In this video, I will show you how to make your own ringtone on Android phones. Let's get started. First, go to your Play Store and download Ringtone Maker. When you already download, just open the app. Then, click the three dots beside the ringtone and click Edit. In here, just listen to the sound and adjust what part of the ringtone you want. You can crop this like dragging the arrow above and below. Once you're done, click Save and then select Make Default Ringtone. To double check it, go to your settings and look for the sound and vibration. And then select ringtone. And in here, look for the ringtone you did a while ago. That's it. I hope this video helped you out.